and welcome to Slow Foxtrot Basic and Beyond lesson. Here we explore interesting advanced figures which we can build from basic figures. And today we will look at figure built from double natural spin, outside spin and hover ending. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So we will build our new figure from three basic figures. And we start with double natural spin, then continue with advanced outside spin and then hover ending. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta, and they will show us our new figures. So we start with double natural turn, then continue with advanced outside spin and hover ending. Very good. Let's look from another angle and with teaching count. And slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. And now let's look again and we will continue with feather step. So we dance double natural spin, advanced outside spin, hover ending and feather step. Very good. Let's look from another angle and with teaching count. And slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at another interesting figure from our today's choreography. We start with basic version of heel pull and curve feather ending. Let's look once again. Slow and quick, quick. And now instead of curve feather ending we will dance spin action. So we start with heel pull and continue with spin ending. Very good. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. Slow and quick, quick. And now we will add next figure, which is checked natural turn and then 3-step ending. So heel pull, spin ending, checked natural and curve 3-step ending. And now let's look again with teaching count. Slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at another two figures for today's choreography, which is double reverse, but we dance it with overspin and continue with back 3-step, which is basic figure. Let's look again and with teaching count. Slow and quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look from another angle. And slow and quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's put together our today's choreography. So we start with double natural spin, advanced outside spin and hover ending, feather step, double reverse overspin with back 3 step, heel pull, spin ending, check natural and curve 3-step ending, followed by feather finish. Very good. Let's look again, and this time with teaching count. Slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, slow, quick, slow, quick. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.